What is up, friends? Welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy that you are back and I'm happy to see your lovely faces. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the new Huda Beauty Bomb Brows Microshade Brow Pencil, and I've had my eye on this baby for quite some time, and I'm so excited to finally be able to try it on in front of the camera and give you my thoughts. But before we get started in the video, don't forget to subscribe down below and hit that bell button so you can be the first to know when I upload new and exciting makeup videos. And just like that, guys, let's go ahead and jump into this review. Alright, so to start off, this is what the Huda Beauty Bomb Brow Pencil looks like. It's very sleek. I love the color. I think it complements the Huda Beauty brand very nicely. I like the angles and I don't know, I like the packaging. It does come with a spoolie on one side, very basic stuff, but it's very sturdy and I feel like it will last a long time. But the big deal with this one is that it has a fine tip. I think on Huda Beauty's website, it says that it's like a 0.9 millimeter fine tip, and when you first open it, you can tell it's the centerpiece of this product. It's like that ultra fine tip. So the concept of this product is to be able to not only create kind of like the very defined filled in brow, which is what I'm wearing right now, but the cool thing that you can do with this is create those hair-like strokes and do it very effortlessly and accurately. So we're gonna put it to the test and we're gonna see how this Bomb Brow Pencil performs. Let's put her to the test. So to start off my eyebrow, I think I'm going to begin by doing hair strokes, short hair strokes right around this area, and I'm going to try to follow the natural. Wow. Okay, so my first impression is that I'm getting immediate pigment. Oh my god, I can't talk. That I'm getting immediate pigmentation. I don't think I'm gonna keep my eyebrow this dark, but let's go ahead and continue our hair strokes. And like I was saying, I think I want to follow my natural eyebrow base. What I'm loving the most about this is that the product is being placed exactly where I want it to be placed, and that I'm not having any trouble with it not showing up and whatnot. So another really great thing about this brow pencil is the creamy formula. This is going on like freaking butter, and I'm here for it, honestly. It's like the lightest touch. See? I messed up right there, but the lightest touch, you get really intense, nice product placement, and it's just amazing. Okay, it's looking pretty dark right now, but I will use the spoolie in just a moment to tone down the intensity, but I want to finish my hair strokes up here at the top of my eyebrow. I'm just gonna do some tiny little hair strokes right there, pretending that I do have a full brow. Okay, so at this point my brow is looking pretty intense. This is not how I would walk out the door looking like, having it look like. So I'm gonna run the spoolie through here. Okay, it's already looking way better. The spoolie did a really good job at bringing down the intensity of the color. So I'm going to brush it this way. It's bringing down the intensity, and it's also doing a really good job at blending the formula together very nice and seamlessly. So I think before I go in with the spoolie, I think I want to fill it in more evenly. So I'm barely gonna touch the tail. I will fix my arch. I don't know why I did my arch so high. I really like how you can still see the hair strokes in there and whatnot. Of course, we're gonna go in and clean it up in a moment, but so far so good. I'm really liking the results. Alright guys, so this is my final result. This is what my eyebrows look like after using the Huda Beauty Bomb Brows Microshade Brow Pencil, and I gotta say, I am very pleased with the accuracy of the eyebrow pencil, the richness in the color. Like you guys saw, you really do not need to use a lot of pressure to get this product to go on the brow. It actually applies just like butter, so easy to use. I love the micro tip. I love the idea behind the micro tip, although I did feel like it did take quite a bit of time for to fill my eyebrows, but I could just use my regular eyebrow powder and then use this to fill in the areas where I don't have as much hair and to be able to create those short hair-like strokes, kind of like how I did right here. Again, it's just so beautiful, natural, and it's something that I would definitely 100% repurchase on my own. And that does it for this video, my friends. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed watching this video and found some value from it, please don't forget to drop me a like. Feel free to share this video. Comment down below, would you or would you not buy the new Huda Beauty Bomb Brow Microshade Brow Pencil? Because let me tell you, I am very happy that I did. Alright, well, I hope to see you on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. Bye, guys.